Hello and welcome. So in the last session, we have seen how to create replication flow and transfer data from Datasphere to HANA Cloud. So in this session, I want to show you one more thing. If you remember last time when we gave our load interval as 1 hour, but now I changed it to 2 minutes. And let's go here. And the runs, actually previous run I cancelled. I did a stop, so the replication will stop. And now I want to show you something. I'm going to start run again. If you remember, we gave filter for sales documents from 1 to 10 only. So let it run. What it'll do is it'll again start initialization and delta. It should load, I think, 9 records. We have 9 records. So let's wait for it's currently active. That means it's loading initial data records. It should load all the records and it will check for the delta. If there is no delta, then again it will check after 2 minutes, and if any delta changes, it will run. Because we gave delta load interval as 2 minutes now. Basically, I want to show you. Let's go and make some changes in the table and see whether they will be reflected as part of delta after 2 minutes completion. Currently, you see initial load. I think it's completed. 9 records are there. Let's wait for the status too. Yeah, it's now says retrying objects. No new delta available. Next delta will be at now 1318. It will be 1320. So 1320 will run, right? So now let's go back. So what we are going to do is let's go back one more time. We will go into this table and we'll make some changes. So let me open this table. So let's go to data editor. Now 1319 time. So it will run at 1320. We'll make after 1320 any change. So these are the 1 to 10 records. I think 5 is missing. That's why 9 records are showing. So let me take some column. Let's say any amount column is there. Let's select amount. Okay, we have one. Okay. Ignore the warnings. Now 1320, it might have started already. It's okay. We will make changes and keep it ready so that it will run again in the next session. So let's bring that tags. Is the tags? Okay, this one I'll take to top. And also, if you remember, we have changed type and change date. I'm also taking them. I want to show you like how it works. Okay, now I have tax amount for my first record. It is 10. And where is my change date and time? Bring them also. Okay, they are available. Okay, I have not selected them. Let's select them. Ignore. Okay, let's try to expand this time. So what I'll do is currently my for sales document 2 tax amount is 47. Let's try to change this to 50. Now the current timestamp is 610. Let's try to save this and see what happens. You see it's saved and the timestamp is changed. That means we changed it 7:51. This is the UTC time. But it is going to run at now we have changed one record. Let's go back. to our replication flow. It's gonna 22. So it might have started. It should bring that new record as part of delta. So not to data sphere. Let's go to our, sorry. Uh, this is HANA to data sphere. What we are trying to do is from data sphere to HANA. This one, it might have started already, 1322. Let's go to monitor and let's go to metrics. You see here, uh, delta load operations one. So that means one record is captured. Okay. So if you, that's how you know delta will capture. And also I want to show you one more thing. Like every 2 minutes it's running, right? Then can we see that? Like, let's refresh this. Yeah, you can see here after refreshing, it's the total retry counts is 3 times. That means we made it as every 2 minutes, right? So when initialization delta, it tried first time. Again 13, 20, 13, 18 initialization delta happened. That time it tried for delta once. Then 13, 20 also it tried second time. 13, 22 it tried third times like that. So this how you know delta will automatically next. It started at last one is 1322 and the duration. And again it's gonna try next time and it should load 0 records. Let's wait for some more time. Next one is at 1324. Let's see. See, this one is also completed. Duration just 2 seconds. There are 0 records. Anywhere we can see count. Not here. Let's go to metrics. Must be somewhere, but yeah, that's how you know it will work. Okay. And also, in the last session, we have tried again to replicate that table, whatever we created in HANA, right? We were getting some error when we are trying to deploy, maybe because we have replicated that and that's why it is not, we're not able to see. But what I'm going to do, uh, let's try to delete this replication flow what we created from Datasphere to HANA. Okay, let me try to delete. Maybe we cannot replicate if the table is already replicated from Datasphere. Again, we cannot do that, I think. Okay. Mm, let's this one Datasphere to HANA. Delete this. This is what we just saw delta on. We are deleting that just to show you the records which are transferred to HANA Cloud. Now we have a table in HANA with that SD from Datasphere to cloud. Now we have loaded 9 records, right? I want to show you 9 records since I don't have access to HANA Cloud. I'll try to show you again by replicating that into Datasphere by using replication flow. Make something. Okay, now open the replication flow from HANA to Datasphere. Okay, this is the table. So here I just change the name as HANA Cloud to Datasphere table. Okay, let's select this. I hope this works this time. Data capture, everything is fine. Let's save this. Deploy this. Let's see if this is successful this time. Okay, it's deployed now. So now let's run this and see whether whether we have data or not on this. I gave again 1 minute. So let's go inside. It should have 9 records because that's what we loaded from Datasphere to HANA. Info is still running. Okay, now it's completed and you see 9 records are loaded. I made it as every 1 minute, so it will capture delta records if any. That's fine. So now let's go back. Our table is HC HANA Cloud to Datasphere. This is the table. Let's go and see the data in the table. Let's go to our folder. This one. Go data preview. You see, records are there already. That means whatever we did from Datasphere to HANA Cloud, that was successful. So yeah, and also I want to show you one more thing. We did some delta, right? Something amount, tax amount. Yeah, this one. Let's move that to top. Last change date. I think also change that amount to top. Tax amount. Mm, This one. It's there at mm, tax amount. I think this is the one which we changed. Let's see if anything else. Okay, this is the one which we changed. I brought this to top and also let's see. We did change for sales order 2. You see, This is the one which we changed to 10, no, sorry, 50. That means the delta was captured. Initially, it was something 47.5 something. So that's why, uh, you can transfer data from Datasphere to other target systems also using replication flows. I hope you understand. I'll see you in the next sessions. Thank you.